Hi guys, I'm here in the Corniche, and then yes, behind at my back, you can use the what we call that one, the e-bike. So the e-bike bike,
Yeah.
then you can use that one 10 minutes first for free, and then here, see, oh, there's a lot of boat, Woo! But no people here.
We're just
Yeah.
walking here on the Corniche.
We're just walking here in the Corniche, and then if you want to roaming there, you can ride that boat for I guess 10 QR, 20 QR per person. But if you have, see, yeah, that's boat, and there's another boat over there.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's all. So come on and lakad-lakad tayo, guys.
तो यहाँ पे ये साइकिल्स रखी हुई है. इसमें क्या करना होता है आपको, जो एप्लीकेशन है जैसे लाइम की साइकिल है ये, तो ये लाइम की साइकिल आपको डाउनलोड करनी है और आप हेलो दोहा का कोड डालोगे तो आपको 10 मिनट्स का राइड यहाँ पे फर्स्ट राइड फ्री मिलेगा. सो दिस इज़ द साइकिल. ये लेकर आप कॉर्निश में घूम सकते हो. ये रहा इसका स्कैनर. तो फर्स्ट 2 मिनट्स राइड्स ऑन अस. हेलो दोहा का कोड डालना है.
Yes, we are moving here, and then back is like we have a lot of views and buildings over there. See, and there's the one. Nice. And you know, the feelings, the ambience is so amazing, and the music's also so good. Yes, we are here in the center of the Corniche, and this is the signature of the countdown clock.
This is the FIFA World Cup countdown clock. So it is 11:44 in the night, 21st of July. So this is the countdown clock that was used for the FIFA World Cup that was held here in Qatar in the year 2022.